Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Pick up the stroke color. Now we need rotate tool. Take the rotate tool, angle 60°, then copy. Now we need reflect tool, vertically 90°, then copy. Hold shift and adjust this line. Now we need a circle. Circle join with line perfectly. Now select all and increase this stroke value. Go to object and expand. Now take shape builder tool and cut all unnecessary part. Select this portion, go to object, path, offset path and increase this size. Preview it. Now select on and take shape builder tool and discard unnecessary part. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.